I released my SQLcl Liquibase 101 workshop for the uninitiated. We have a free tool for the Oracle database called SQLcl. It's basically a command line for working with your database, and you can put your SQL and PL/SQL code. And we also have a bunch of other commands directly into the command line with it. One of the features included with SQLcl is called Liquibase. We built it on top of the open source Liquibase platform and added a bunch of extra goodies into it. And what it basically does is allows you to automate the creation and updating of your database objects. So things like your tables, procedures, constraints. So really good for just getting objects built and automated super quickly. Really easy to add to your larger development pipeline. So the workshop that I released, and you can find that on Live Labs, it's called Take Control of Your Database with Automated Schema Changes. That's up and live. That covers all your basics and general concepts. And I'll be doing a webinar on that material July 25th. We'll put the links again to that in the description. And I'll also be presenting on it for Cloud World